class student. In the last class, we have learned that what is season? When the same type of weather continues for a few months, means for a long time, we call it a season, okay? And we have 5 seasons in our country. Summer season, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring, okay? Summer season is during April to June, okay? It lasts from April to June and the weather is mostly hot during summer season. Then summer is followed by monsoon and the monsoon lasts for July to September, okay? It lasts from July to September and during the monsoon it rains on most days. Farmer grow crop in this season. This is the season for the farmer. They feel very happy when it rains. We feel little sad that we can't go outside or this and that. But farmer feels very happy when it rains. Okay. So this season farmers used to grow different types of crops. And after monsoon, means after monsoon we can say rainy season also. So after monsoon it comes autumn and it lasts from October to November and the most tree shed their leaves during this season. Then autumn season is followed by the winter season and winter season lasts from December to February or March we can say. And the weather is mostly cold during these months, okay? The weather are mostly cold during this winter season. After winter is followed by a very pleasant season that is known as spring season, okay? So winter is followed by a spring season and it lasts from February to March and in this time beautiful colorful flowers, different flowers used to bloom, okay? So now we have understand that our country is having 5 seasons in which time, okay? It is also already written over there also. Now we are going to discuss about each season one by one. We are going to start from summer season only. So children, summer season, the weather I said during this season the weather is very hot. Very hot, we feel very hot. What to do? What we use when we are feeling hot? AC, cooler. We are using in summer season now. To make ourselves comfortable, we are using AC, cooler, fan. And what we are drinking? We are drinking cold drinks. We are not drinking most time hot drinks. This time we are used to drink cold drinks. And we used to wear light colored clothes, cotton clothes. We know that light colored clothes can't able to absorb the heat, okay? And cotton clothes used to absorb the sweat, what is coming out of our body, okay? And so we feel cool, okay? So what we are doing in summer season? We are drinking cold drinks, we are eating that curd, banana, okay? And then we are wearing light colored cotton clothes and we are using AC, coolers, fan to keep ourselves comfortable, to keep ourselves cool. And children, we generally don't go out during summer season. In the noon time, your mother is not allowing you to go out and play now. So during this season, very warm air used to blow and that air we used to call loo. Okay. So loo blows during the daytime. So it is not good to go out during daytime. In evening time, we can go out. And people go to the hilly area, hill station because we are having summer holidays also during summer season, and during this summer holiday we used to go to the hilly area where weather will be little cool. Okay, so we feel very comfortable in a hill station during summer season. Now next come to monsoon. Now children, the another name of monsoon is rainy season. By the rainy you understand it's rains only. So children, the most part of our country, the summer is followed by a rainy season or monsoon season. These are dark clouds. Okay, there in the daytime there are dark, not only in daytime, maybe at night also, maybe in evening also, means during these days there you will see a dark clouds. Okay, and it rains almost every day. Every day it will rain. Means today it is raining, maybe tomorrow it will not rain, but maybe day after tomorrow surely it will be rain. Okay, so it is the rainy season. Most of time it will be raining, and the weather remains humid all time. You feel sweating, you can see. Okay, so the weather is humid when there is no rain, and it becomes very uncomfortable when the weather is humid and it is not raining. And plants grow well in rainy season. Heavy rains cause floods which do a great deal of damage to the crops and houses. So you can see in Bihar there is a flood in rainy season. In different parts of the country there can be flood, okay, and it can harm crops, and okay, these floods can harm crops and it disturb the life of many people also. Sometimes they can lose their life also. Okay, so flood is very dangerous, children. So after rainy season, one short small season comes, that is known as autumn season, and it lasts from October to November, just now I said. And this season is known as season of festival, because most of the festival falls during this season. You can see in India like that Dashara, Deepavali, Chhat, many season is there. So this autumn is known as season of festivals. Okay, and it is very short season, and during this season what happened? The tree shed their old leaves because they have to survive during winter season. So they used to shed their leaves during this autumn season. Okay, some part of the country the trees shed their leaves during the autumn season. And the weather is pleasant because this time it is not raining also, it is not very hot also, and it is not very cold also. So this time during autumn season the weather is pleasant. We love this weather. Okay, and this is known as season of festival. After autumn season, winter season comes. Okay, means autumn season is followed by a winter season, and it lasts from December to February. Winter season, we feel very cold during winter season. Okay, the weather is extremely cold. In some part of the country it is really very extremely cold during winter season. So people have to survive during winter season, so they used to wear woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. Okay, in the hilly area also they are using many things to make themselves comfortable and to keep themselves warm. We are using geyser. We are not taking bath by the cold water. We are making it hot by the geyser or in the gas stove or anything. We are taking bath by a lukewarm water during winter season. Okay, and then we are using geyser. In some houses we are using geysers. We are using a heater also to keep our room comfortable, to keep our room warm, because it is very difficult for us to survive in extremely cold weather. To make ourselves comfortable, we are using that geyser and heater, room heater. And children, we are drinking hot drinks during winter season. What we are drinking? Hot drinks. And what we are wearing? Woolen clothes. Okay? So in the winter season, what we are doing? We are drinking hot drinks. We are eating nuts also. We know now fats and nuts gives us warmth. So we are using dry nuts. Okay? And then we are wearing woolen clothes. And we are using this room heater to make our room temperature comfortable. After, in some houses, what we are doing, we are burning that coal or anything, wood. Also we are doing this, means we are creating the fires to keep ourselves warm. And in the hilly area, children, there is a snowfall, and many people used to go to see the snowfall, and they feel very happy during February time. During February time, they used to go to the hilly area to see the snowfall. After winter season is followed by a spring season, which lasts from February to March. It is also very pleasant season, because this time also the weather is not very hot and weather is not very cold also. So we like balanced type of weather. Okay. So this is also very pleasant. During summer season, during spring season, there is having pleasant weather. And the trees get new leaves. In autumn season, the trees are shedding their leaves now. In spring season, they are getting their leaves back. Okay. So tree gets new leaves, and there are flower and butterfly all over. Because in spring season, flowers used to bloom out. So all where you will see colorful flowers and butterflies. And the scene is also looks very beautiful during spring season. So children, we have learned what we have to eat or what we have to wear into different season. In rainy season, what you are wearing? I have said in summer season you have to wear light colored cotton clothes. In winter season we are wearing dark colored woolen clothes. And what we are wearing in rainy season? In rainy season, children, we are wearing raincoat over our clothes. Generally we are wearing synthetic clothes only, but we used to wear raincoat to protect ourselves from rain, and we are using umbrella. So you can see in different season we are wearing different clothes, we are eating different things, we are drinking different things. In summer we are drinking cold drinks, in winter we are drinking hot drinks like soup, tea, coffee, these things we are drinking now. In summer season we are drinking juice, fruit juice like this. So, and the weather is also different in different season. So children, please, that is your work, activity. In the copy you paste the scene, or you can draw up the picture of different season. In the summer you can show bright sun over there. In rainy season you can show the clouds, dark clouds and raining all over. And in the winter season you can show that there is very less quantity of sunlight is coming and all are feeling cold. They are wearing woolen clothes, woolen cap. So like that you make a picture, okay, draw the picture of summer season, rainy season and winter season, okay, in your copy neatly. Thank you, have a nice day.